I'm down 129 pounds, and this is how I meal prep. This is 6.5 pounds of 93% ground beef. This is 3 pounds of ground chicken, lean. About every hour to an hour and a half, come in and chop it up. Then when it's all done, you put it in containers. When it's done, I have I put everything in 8-ounce servings. And if you're carnivore, you can just eat it like this. If you're keto, you can add vegetables. If you're counting calories, you can count your macros. So you make it fit how you need it to make. So now 6.5 pounds made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Made 11 half-pound containers. 3 pounds of chicken, only made 4. So 3 pounds of chicken turned into 2 pounds worth of meat after all the water's out. 6.5 turned into 10.5 pounds or 5.5 pounds. So I lost 1 pound here and 1 pound there. And then I have the beef broth that I save and I put over my dog's food.